As you already know, that today we are celebrating, or what we say, organizing a farewell function for the 2021 batch, which is the first batch of Lloyd Institute of Engineering Technology, who is taking admission in this institute. And for me, we joined in 2022, and I think this is the first batch which we nurtured in Lloyd Institute of Engineering Technology, and we had very great memories with you. And the best part which I found with this batch is that we had a very good interaction, one-to-one interaction, one-to-one communications with these students. The batch size is very small, around 160 students were there, but as far as our personal connection is concerned, that was great. And we have worked closely with you, and I know that the 3 years which we have worked with you, we have given you enough knowledge, we have given you enough training. That's why I'm very sure that once you go into your professional careers, you reach your height. And from my side, I wish you all the best.
Yeah, hi friends. I think when I joined this institution on 1st June of 2022, you people were about to face the first year external examination, and today you are going to step out from this organization as a BTech candidate. And within few days you are going to meet the new people and new places. So I mean, don't expect to be. Don't expect all the people or all the places to be same. Like I will tell you about one old teaching fundamental. Like all the fingers are not equal. In the same way, the people will be different. Their opinion may be different, and each and every person will have their own opinion. And there definitely, there is good and bad, both the sides. Okay, so you need to concentrate more on the good side rather than that bad one. Like if I need to describe a rose plant, see, that rose plant will have full of thorns. The rose flower will be very less. If a family member or a special friend of you has asked you to get a rose flower from the plant, definitely you will get it without any problem, without any harm to your body. Because see, that rose plant will have full of thorns. But your concentration is only on the rose flower, not on the thorn. So in the same way, you please concentrate on the good side of the people, not the bad side. And finally, I don't want to say goodbye to you all, because I like only the one sentence: wherever you go, it follows you. And I'll be there for you all and forever and ever. Thank you.
So Bachcha Party, finally leaving the college with your BTech degree. I'm so happy for you all. You know why? Because you all are so dear to me. In fact, if I say that you all are emotionally connected, because you are the batch with whom I have started my journey in Lloyd. तुम लोगों को पढ़ा के बहुत मज़ा आया. सारे बच्चे, ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई इंडिविजुअल है या कोई स्पेसिफिक कोई स्टूडेंट है. सारे बच्चे अच्छे थे, बदमाशी थी, पढ़ाई भी थी, बट द मेन थिंग वाज कि सारे बच्चे आप लोग डिसेंट थे, डिसिप्लिन थे. आप लोग को एक बात बोला जाता था एंड यू वर लाइक यस मैम एंड सेड एंड वी हैव टू डू दिस. दैट वाज द बेस्ट क्वालिटी आई फाउंड आउट इन लॉ. फीलिंग वेरी इमोशनल दैट वी विल बी डिपार्टिंग टुडे, बट यस, एज वी से, कनेक्शन इज ऑलवेज देयर. आई विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. अगर आप रखोगे तो वेल एंड गुड, बट तुम तो हमेशा मेरी पार्ट रहोगे ही, बिकॉज फ्रॉम दिस बैच ओनली वी हैव स्टार्टेड आवर विजन and we have created the vision batch, and continuity it is going on. As you were first batch of vision, now presently I am teaching the fourth batch of vision. But yes, as the seniors of this college, the first batch of Lloyd, I wish you all a very best in your future. Do well, grow well, have success in your life, but don't ever miss your roots, and don't forget what you are and from where you have turned up, and do well in your life. All the best for your future.
Talking about 2021 and 2025 guys, they were the very success on their academic activities, and essentially they were joining their classes, and they are getting very good academic opportunities, and wherever they will be, I support can give them a good opportunity. Thank you very much.
हेलो, मुझे नोड़ा में ये मेरी पहली शो है, और जब भी मैं एक्चुअली मेरठ से लौटी मैं जब मेरे से आती हूँ मेरा कैलिबर इतना खत्म हो जाता है तो मुझे लगता है जॉब छोड़ देनी चाहिए। लेकिन जब जब मैं क्लास में गई तब तक मुझे हाई एनर्जेटिक वाले स्टूडेंट मिले। उनका फेस, उनका स्माइल की नोटनेस, इन सब ने मुझे आज तक ग्रिप करके रखा। और मैं आज तक हर बार मैंने कितनी बार सोचा कि मैं छोड़ूं, लेकिन मैं आज तक भी इसे गिव अप नहीं कर पाई। This is very thankful to me.
My dear graduating students, as you bid farewell to this chapter of your life, I want to appreciate you all for the incredible journey you have undertaken throughout your BTech program. You have not only grown as an engineer but also as an individual being. My well wishes are always with you all. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep the ever-changing landscape of technology.
बैच था LIT में 2021 से 25 का इसमें लगभग 180-90 के आसपास की स्ट्रेंथ थी। धीरे धीरे कुछ बच्चे हमेशा हर कॉलेज की तरह कुछ बच्चों ने यहाँ पे छोड़ दिया और कुछ बच्चों ने कंटिन्यू किया। जिन बच्चों ने भी कंटिन्यू किया, जिन्हें मैंने पढ़ाया, तो दे ऑल आर एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी स्टूडेंट्स और सभी में बहुत अच्छा पोटेंशियल है और ये डेफिनेटली लाइफ में अच्छा कर रहे हैं और भी बहुत बेटर कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, इनमें से कुछ स्टूडेंट्स IITs भी गए, although they are the students from the computer science, but they can create and make engineering in anything in their life. I wish them best of luck.
बैच के जो बैच था वो मेरा फेवरेट बैच था। उसमें कई स्टूडेंट्स थे जैसे कमलेश और
कमलेश बैग, यस, हाँ,
कमलेश बैग, अश्विनी और कहाँ भी आप नहीं आ रहे हैं, आप याद हो
सिर्फ नाम तो काफी बच्चों के याद नहीं आ रहे, लेकिन वो मजेदार बैच था। बहुत पढ़ने वाले बच्चे थे। हाँ, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा, कुछ बच्चे नोटोरियस भी थे उसमें, लेकिन बीटेक का ही मजा है कि
हाँ, लेकिन बैच बहुत अच्छा था।
हाँ, बैच बहुत अच्छा। ओवरऑल बदमाशी करते थे लेकिन काम भी करते थे।
मतलब लास्ट में यही कहेंगे उन सभी के लिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर देयर फ्यूचर।
हाँ, बेस्ट ऑफ, बहुत अच्छे जगह पर जाएं, बहुत अपने जीवन में तरक्की करें, है ना। हमारे तरफ से बेस्ट विशेष। थैंक यू।
यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन, गुल्लक में पड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन। ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी, जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी, दोस्ती और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे, वो दिन भी क्या दिन थे।